Hello everyone. Today I have a completion review for you and I'm excited to share it. Are you ready? I participated and still am participating in Jingle Drills 2024 hosted by Emeralds and Fairy Lights. The canvas I chose is Christmas Joy by Donna Gelsinger. It is beautiful. It is stunning. So I'm going to try to show this to you the best I can. As usual, you can't really see the shine on camera, but it is gorgeous. I have to, let's turn it this way so you can see. Oh, yeah, that's better. I had so many favorites while doing this canvas. I loved doing the lights, the nose, the face. You can't, there's many different colors in his cheeks. This was just so much fun to do. The only issue I had with this canvas was this symbol right there, 22, number 817. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see what you can see, but it's right underneath the V. I hope you can see that. It's a hashtag symbol, but when they printed the canvas, it came out as 2 parallel lines. I didn't have an issue figuring out what they meant, but it was a universal problem through the whole canvas. And I had to mentally just remember, oh yeah, that's the hashtag. It just didn't print the other 2 lines. But other than that, the glue was great. My last diamond art canvas I did, my diamond slid like it was an ice skating rink. This one, they did not. It was much better. And this canvas is a much older canvas than my last one was. But I am very pleased with how it came out. Very pleased. Love it. And this one is going to go in my book. I'm going to put this aside. And Diamond Art Club canvases are very durable. All right, this canvas is going to go in my book. Don't quit your daydream. So it is okay, right here. I started this canvas November 15th and I actually finished it December 15th. It has 58 colors, 4 ABs, 3 fairy dusts. The drill count is 44,526. And that's what I use the small sticker for. But if it doesn't have a small sticker, I make a small sticker. So this sticker, I adore this sticker. And I think I have just stuck it in the back. It is going to go in the back. Let's put it right up there. I have won a prize with this event. I won a $20 gift card from Diamond shop. It's an Etsy store, and I'm so excited to use it. All right, what did I use in making the canvas, creating it? Diamond Art Club storage. I fit this held my trash drills, and then I also used small Tic Tac containers. In addition to the Diamond Art Club containers. And I have a lot of drills left over. I also used these Crafty Corner release paper. So cute. So there's that one. And the red truck. So shiny. And here is the snowmen. Snowmen, snow bees, snow dragonflies. So this is the paper I used for my canvas, and I also used regular parchment paper. So that was the release paper I used. I used Diamond Art Club pens with a plastic this was a 5 multi-placer, and of course the single, and the twist and pick pen with their 3 multi-placer on the end. And sometimes I could get 4 on this. So that was the pens. I used generic tray for small. Whenever I used these containers, I used this tray because it has the handy pour spout. This one is a bit harder to pour the diamonds back in this container. So that's why I used the gray. This is a Creations Moran tray. I won this also from Queen Dash of Diamonds 4. Love this tray. This is my favorite tray because of that feature right there. Love it. So those are the 2 trays I used. These are the pens I used. This is the release paper. Here is my drills. These are the spare drills I keep. These are actual drills, the actual colors from these containers. I save 2 or 3 from each color so that if there's a problem later on, I have them right here, and I have a color code, the color grid right there. And you can just figure it out by looking at the canvas, but what the neighboring diamonds are, and then you can figure out which diamond you need. So that's why I save it, because realistically, am I going to call Diamond Art Club a year down the line and say, some of these colors are not staying, and then they're going to send me their current die lot, and will it be the same? I don't know. It might not. But I rather not take that chance. So and here is our trash. There's some really kind of funky looking trash in there. Not really that much. There was a couple of them in there. Oh, here's a neat one. It had a buddy with him. Let's see if I can find them for you. There you go. There's our trash. And I don't see the buddy. There he is. All right, let me flip you over. They're black. Can you see them? Right there. They had a buddy system. They wanted to stick together. And that's okay with me. I just did not use them. So these, why do you think we save trash drills? I don't know. I save them. I just put them right here. I don't really understand why. And maybe I won't all the time. So we'll see if this trend will. I guess I'm saving them so I can compare with other paintings and other brands. But you know, that being said, does it really matter how much trash you have if you have enough to do the canvas? I don't think so. So that is how, and then I will put the prizes that I've won here for this canvas. And so far there's just one, and I am having a good time with this event. That is my logbook. And I am going to kit down this. Oh, I did run out of drills for this color. I don't know if you can see, but I had one left. See that little guy? I had one left of 927. But hey, I had enough. And that's all I needed. I did mix up this one, dumped it in another color, and I just separated them out, but they're still static in there. Love the ABs and the fairy dust. Loved them, loved them, loved them. Beautiful green. The colors together on this canvas just were perfect. Absolutely perfect. I can't say enough good about this painting. There is the painting again. I can't say enough good. I had so much fun completing this canvas. Let me know in the comments if you have completed this canvas. I've seen quite a few people post it in the group. Did you enjoy it? Did you find that number the hashtag symbol was not complete on the canvas? Or maybe it wasn't complete on the color code. Maybe they messed up on the color code. Who knows? But did you have a hard time figuring out what color it was? I just did process of elimination, and I was able to figure it out. Let me know. Put it in the comments. And I hope you have a good rest of December. Merry Christmas to everyone. I don't know if this is going to be my last video before Christmas or not. The rest, I'll still have videos. So enjoy your holiday season. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, everyone.